Find the area bound between the two polar curves r equals 3 sine of theta and r equals 1 plus sine of theta. So the first thing we need to do is find out where 3 sine of theta and 1 plus sine of theta intersect. So to do that, we're going to set them equal to each other. And 3 sine of theta equals 1 plus sine of theta. So we're going to subtract sine of theta on both sides, and we get 2 sine of theta equals 1. And divide by 2 on both sides, sine of theta equals 1/2. And sine of theta equals 1/2 at theta equals pi over 6, and theta equals 5 pi over 6. So now we know where they intersect, so that is going to be our interval that we use when we plug it into our equation, which is the area equals 1/2 times the integral, which we just found our limits, pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. And then we're going to find our big R is going to be our larger polar curve, and then our little r is going to be the smaller one. And so when we put it into the calculator, we find out that 3 sine of theta is the larger curve. So we're going to do 3 sine of theta squared minus 1 plus sine of theta squared. We can find that integral, the interval from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6, and multiply it by 1/2. And when we plug that into the calculator and do that, we get pi. So this is how you find the area bound between two polar curves.